Hello everyone, my name is Sam Ali, and I am so excited to be taking my second class in this Mid-American Nazarenes Master's Program, the Education track. I'm so excited to be sharing this experience with you all, and I wish you all good luck in this class and the whole program. A little bit about my education and experience. I graduated from UMKC School of Nursing in 2007, May 2007, and pretty much started working as a GN right after in a CV step-down unit. I did that for 9 years, taking care of open heart and lung surgery patients. Then in 2015, I started working in a period anesthesia department, mainly the recovery room, and also in the pre-op area. Currently, I'm still working in that department. I work weekends, and so that way I can work on school and focus on children. I have 3 kids and married to my wonderful husband. As a teacher, I've never really taught in like nursing school. However, I have done a lot of precepting. I have precepted new nurses and precepted students, and I love teaching them basically anything that I have learned in the past, but also I want to shape them into good nurses. We really need good nurses at the bedside, so we need great teachers to teach them. And I have had the humble experience of doing that. That's really the gist of my nursing education. Where do I see myself in 5 years? I hope that I would have graduated from this program and work as a full-time faculty. I love to teach and shape our future nurses, and I hope that I get to teach them and produce hopefully more nurses. We really need a lot of nurses as nurses are retiring, baby boomers are retiring. We need new nurses, we need good nurses, we need nurses to stay at the bedside. So I really hope that I get to shape the future in this, from what I learned in this program. Every single person in the world has the power to be part of a positive ripple effect. At this very moment, you are capable of making an extraordinary difference in the world. Even a simple, small, kind deed can make a profound impact on the life of another. The most important essentials in life are free for a reason, so give away the endless supply of love in your heart and the gracious goodness in your soul. I think enough said in this quote. I love it. We definitely need to do more of this today than ever. I really appreciate you watching this presentation, and I am excited to be sharing this experience with you all, and good luck.